Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen. If you are new here, welcome to my kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make this simple coconut shrimp recipe. So let's see what ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. I have some minced garlic, but you can use some fresh garlic cloves. I have some Old Bay seasoning, which is great for seafood, some onion powder. I have some garlic powder. This is optional, but I like to use both powder and fresh garlic. Some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. This will add some fire spice to it. I have some lemon blend juice. You can also use a fresh lemon or lime or even vinegar. I have some bell pepper that I'm going to finely chop. I have a large onion. I'm only going to finely chop half of that onion. I also chopped some yellow bell pepper. I have a small can of roasted garlic tomato sauce. I have 1 can of coconut milk, and you can use any brand of your choice. I have some dry Italian seasoning. I have about 6 green onions that I'm going to finely chop. Let me know in the comments below if you use green onions to cook. I have 2 pounds of raw unpeeled large shrimps. I'm covering my shrimps with that lemon blend juice. You can also use lemon juice or lime juice. I'm covering my shrimps with one of my favorite seasonings, which is Old Bay seasoning. I'm doing the same with my onion powder. I'm covering the shrimp with some garlic powder. I'm lightly sprinkling some of the Tony Chachere's Creole dry seasoning. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of garlic, and you can also use fresh garlic. I'm adding half of the chopped vegetables. Next, I'm mixing all my ingredients together. This is totally optional, but I'm adding in a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. Let me know in the comments below, how do you like your shrimps? I'm mixing in some Italian seasoning. I like the flavor that it gives to the shrimps. Once I'm done, I'm going to let it sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can also marinate it overnight in the refrigerator to use the next day. So guys, I lost the footage before this step. I preheated 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I sauteed the remainder of the chopped vegetables. Then I added the marinated shrimps. I'm going to allow it to cook until it starts to get some color. Then I'm going to add my coconut milk to the pan. And I used about half a cup. You can use any brand of coconut milk. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever cooked with coconut milk. This coconut milk will give us our sauce. I'm adding half a can of tomato sauce. I'm also mixing in 1 cup of water. I'm going to cover it and cook it until it boils down to a thick sauce.
A few moments later.
So let's take a look. As you can see, the sauce is thick, so it's just about done. Let me give you a closer look at these shrimps so you can smell it through your screen. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and I think that we are ready to eat. So y'all, this is my coconut shrimp recipe. Very easy. So I'm having my coconut shrimps with some white rice and steamed broccoli that I have cooked in my rice cooker. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.